So what's going on with this check?
These the people right here that sent it.
That sent it to you?
Yes.
Who's that?
Ashley Webb. On online
I don't know who
job.
that is.
That's the people online. Everything's right on that paper. These are her emails, right?
What are the emails? What are the emails
This
say?
is the appointment application when I got the job.
So if I do a little research and I call Badger Services,
Yes, you can, sir. I am not.
and they tell me,
I don't know how to make that.
hold on, and they tell me that they don't have you on their payroll.
The employment agreement form. This all come from them.
I don't see Badger on there.
I'm gonna show you everything right here. All you gotta do is just keep going through the emails. Ashley Webb, the Badger B&B. So what we supposed to do to make it fake? What we supposed to do? Somebody mailed it. I showed y'all the envelope and everything. We ready to arrest somebody. See that nobody ain't do nothing about it.
Well, if he's in a check and then if everything checks out, then you guys would be free to go.
Does not mean you're under arrest. It just means I have to ask you some questions and you're not free to leave. Okay?
Yeah, got hurt. He didn't. I got his name and date of birth.
Okay. So, real quick, before I go any further, all right? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statements you make must be freely and voluntarily given.
Did they have his 14 or no?
No. Give it to him. I'll still look. Stand over there, folks. Any statements you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer, Richard. Any statements can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand those? Okay. So, you said that this is Badger. What's the company?
I can show you email.
You said Badger Construction?
Yes.
Would it be part of a scam, and that's why you guys are here?
Yeah, anything that's like false related.
Yeah, false related. Yeah, we have to investigate.
We have to investigate it.
Right. I don't know how to make no check. They sent me, and they tell you everything. They're gonna send me a check. They're gonna take the discount side.
They have it. They have it.
This
Anybody can get on that page. I'm asking if you.
That's what they told me to do, and that's when they said that I got the check. I had put promotion. I'm like I'm promoting them.
Okay, so you're still not showing me the.
It's for to show you.
You said you show us the emails.
Okay, I'll try to show you how to think.
She said that she got paid for making a Facebook page. I'm trying to have her show me the Facebook page.
I'm trying to show you exactly.
Alright, so I'm going to make some phone calls. I'm going to find out from Badger directly.
And you'll call the lady that be writing me. She left her number down there.
And what's her name? Ashley Webb?
Ashley Webb, I guess.
Okay.
Yes.
From Ashley Webb.
Who's Ashley Webb?
Someone. Who's Ashley Webb? She's a manager at Badger? An HR manager for a hiring service. They're not going to pay you from the company. They're going to pay you from a hiring service. Okay. What's the name of the company for the hiring service?
It's her. This is all I know. You can just keep going through the emails.
All right, go to the emails and see if there's a name of the company.
Like, this is all I can do. Like,
all right. All right, let me see.
Good morning, Badger Services.
Hi, this is Officer Sanchez with the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. What kind of... Do you guys have an Ashley Webb that works for you?
No, we do not.
I took it to Bank of America. I took it to PNC. I took it to Walmart. Walmart said it was too much. The other banks I had a bank account.
That's what the other banks told you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm the office manager. I've been here for 16 years.
16 years. All right, so let me just grab some information from you.
What do you mean by that?
Like they made me sign up for a drug and alcohol.
Oh, like a probation thing. These are your people, aren't they? Did you call them?
Yeah, I ain't coming home yet.
Sarge, watch out, buddy.
So at this point right now, I'm going to confiscate this check. It's all going to be turned into evidence, and the person who was passing the check is going to be arrested, okay? So you may be in contact with someone in the next couple days.
I'm calling a lawyer. I ain't do shit. I got all the information right here on my phone. I can't help that she got me up to me. This shit crazy. Baby, I ain't gotta do nothing because I ain't do shit. You can't do nothing about it. Bitch mails me a check that I wrote for online. What am I supposed to do?
This is the last ditch effort to help you out as best as I can. Is there anything you want to tell me?
No, I could get a lawyer and I could like.
Get a lawyer. That's fine.
I didn't do shit.
I'm asking right now. Is anything you want to tell me right
You go through my phone and find everything. You a text message texting her.
You know nothing about the check.
My son, I could die right now. Like, I don't know anything about the shit.
Who was that person that just rolled out?
That's my mom.
Okay, how does she know about this?
Because
how does she know that we're out here with this? So, there's last chance. Nothing you want to tell me about it?
What I supposed to know about it? I don't know. All I can know is the emails they hiring me
Stand up for me.
and everything. Like,
The passing is
it's all on my phone. What are y'all talking about? I'm not on my phone.
Hey.
I swear to God, I don't know nothing about this shit. I gave them everything.
Okay, hear me out. Okay. Per the investigation, you're going to be going down to the jail. That's general, okay? That's not. So, hear me out.
What did she do? What the did my child do? What the did she do?
Catch the fraudulent check.
No, she didn't catch a fraudulent
You
check.
need to go back over
So
there
what?
before
That
you
was
tell
how the that shit on my fraudulent check. They don't need check.
Do you want to leave your belongings with mom?
Yes, but what if I'm going to jail for?
Because
I did not catch no fraudulent check.
Listen, I
She
can't.
did not catch your check.
Mom, I cannot communicate with you if you're going to be yelling. Let me explain it to you, okay? So she got a check. Listen, hold on, let me tell you. She got a check.
But still at the same time, that check never got cashed.
Doesn't matter if we got cash.
Hey,
She's in possession.
that means a lot.
Okay.
Long as he
So
didn't get
then what?
cashed.
Oh my God, I need my phone like so I can show the information.
Phone, don't worry. Begin with it.
do you want? Do you hear me out? Answer
My
the questions that I
son.
got. Answer the questions that I got. Do you want to leave your jewelry and stuff with mom?
I don't care. Like, what am I going to jail for? Like, what am I going to jail for?
Okay.
If that check got cashed, that's a
fine.
different thing.
Okay, well listen, she's going to go down to the county jail with my probable cause.
Hey, listen, I'm going to tell y'all something. Y'all take my daughter. I'm going to tell y'all something right now, sir.
Okay, I'm listening.
I am going to sue the out of this store right now.
Like, it's nothing.
It is. There's a bag
It's
in here.
a bead.
It's not beads.
Oh, okay. Y'all got
In the back. We put that at the front seat.
Huh?
What's those?
That's a bead.
Girl, you know damn well it's not a bead.
Well, so give me the envelope. I need the envelope.
You're not getting that envelope. You're not getting that envelope.
Hey, Josh.
Look
This?
forward.
Yeah.
Look at the front.
I want to put this. You want to leave it with your mom?
Yes, like, help me out, talk to
You
him.
want to take your necklace off too?
Yes.
Don't check. He's supposed to go down.
Well, listen,
And I'm
listen.
going to call the news. I'm going to call everybody right now.
Goodbye.
I'm going to call
There you go.
everybody. I'm going to call them right here at this goddamn stuff. The news.
So stop and
Like,
raise
y'all
the car.
taking each other sometimes.
Hey, listen.
I didn't do
I'm trying to be
shit.
nice. We try to be nice. This now you're not running it. I'm running this, okay?
No, I
tried to
know
be
my
nice,
son.
and
I
I'm
did
tired of
everything.
you and her yelling. So we're done with it.
And
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
And I'm going to call the judge because I know my rights. And she now literally.
Ma'am, the stuff's falling out of the stuff's falling out.
And cash the check, you can't take her to jail. You
Please,
can't
thank you.
get her. Give me the phone. Let me call my friend at 1012 News. I ain't going nowhere. 1012 News will be right here. And everything. I'm going to bring all my family up here.
All right, you good to go, bro. I don't
She tried to cash the check. That is fraudulent.
The date was August 17, 2025, and at 10:15 a.m., a quiet morning at a local convenience store turned into a criminal investigation. A store owner, suspicious of a check for $2,430.74, called the police after noticing the document looked forged and the contact number for the vendor was disconnected. The woman attempting to cash it insisted she was innocent, claiming she earned the money by creating a Facebook page for a company called Badger Services. She even showed officers emails from a supposed HR manager named Ashley Webb as proof of her employment. However, a quick call to the actual company shattered her story. Management confirmed they had no record of the woman or the HR manager she mentioned. Despite emotional pleas from the woman and her mother, the officer confiscated the check and placed her under arrest for fraud. Her defense of not knowing would now be left for a judge to decide. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against fraud with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.